The Irish dairy industry has grown into a super global business, and our dairy farmers are central to its success. Bord Bia's Sustainable Dairy Assurance Scheme, known as SDAS, is the world's first national dairy sustainability scheme. It allows farmers to measure their continuous improvement of efficiencies and sustainability practices. Irish farmers who are certified members of the Bord Bia Quality Assurance Scheme and who participate in farm sustainability assessments as part of their audit are members of Origin Green. Ali Sheridan from Bord Bia tells us why Origin Green is important for Irish dairy farmers.
So increasingly we're seeing retailers, food manufacturers and food service around the world look at sustainability as a key sourcing criteria for their produce. And really what Origin Green gives us the opportunity to do is to both communicate our strong credentials in terms of sustainability, as well as provide evidence and proof of the work that we're doing here in Ireland. In terms of farm level, how we've been able to achieve that is to build on our strong infrastructure of our quality assurance schemes, where we've now built in a wider criteria of sustainability. The audits take place every 18 months or so on dairy farms, and traditionally we were looking at areas around food safety and quality and animal welfare, which we continue to look at. But now we're also including a sustainability audit. So it's not a huge amount of extra work in terms of the audit, but it is quite rigorous because everything we do is verified. What we're looking for is the hotspots in terms of the farm's performance and sustainability, trying to identify areas where improvements can be made in terms of sustainability performance, but also where improvement in profitability can be made on farm. In terms of dairy farming and sustainability, the 5 key areas we're looking at are extending the grazing season, improving breeding on the farm, looking at fertiliser efficiency, energy efficiency, and also better slurry management.
Can you give us some examples of the benefits of farming sustainably on dairy farms?
So research from Teagasc has shown us that if we can extend the grazing season by 10 days, we can achieve a reduction in carbon emissions by 1.7%, as well as achieving a profitability increase of €27 per animal. Another example would be that if we can achieve a shift to spring slurry by about 20%, we can reduce emissions on farm by 1%, as well as achieving a profitability increase by about €10 per hectare. So biodiversity is a hugely important aspect in terms of sustainability on dairy farms. And areas that we're looking at is things like hedgerow management, habitat management, wildflowers, and also pollinators on farm. So biodiversity plays a key role in helping farmers, obviously in terms of growing produce. If you think about it, we'd be unable to do so without pollinators. Farming sustainably enables farmers to stay in business and make a living as well. It doesn't cost anything to be part of Origin Green. By achieving efficiencies, they can improve profitability and sustainability as well.